You guys haven't seen her in a minute, have you? Darling, you're looking swell as ever. Just covered in shit like you've been sitting for 3 months or something. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you don't know, you know now, motherfucker. Welcome back. Oh my God, so much has happened. Let me take all this stuff out of my pockets. Hold on. Hold on, I missed you. I'm glad you're here. It's been a long time since I've seen you. I got my hair buzzed, and I've been doing stuff. Oh, she's still kind of warm from earlier. I'm sorry. I lied to you. I just blue balled you on that cold start. Anyway, welcome back. I'm stoked. I feel like every time I do like a welcome back video and then I end up doing like another whole lifespan of things that happen, and then I come back and I'm like, welcome back. Anyway, my little brother Cole, he just had his wrestling season, and wrestling season consists of him practicing every single day, quads and meets on Wednesdays and tournaments every Saturdays. And it's pretty much like that for like 2 or 3 months, and I wouldn't miss that for the world, so I'm always there for him. Anyway, plus the GTI's been parked. I haven't done anything with it, so don't think that I was like, you know, what am I trying to say here? What I'm trying to say is, like, yo, I hope you don't die off, bro. Oh, yo, I hope you're okay. Your boy's not going anywhere, bro. Life happens sometimes, that's all. Okay, so today this is gonna be a little bit of a little POV rip. I'm gonna throw the GoPro up, we're gonna go pick up Cole, we're gonna go to my dad's, and then I gotta do some basics on this. We gotta do spark plugs and an oil change. It really needs it badly, it's been sitting for a while. And then, oh my God, I have so much stuff. I am so excited for this season. I feel like the most common thing is GTI channels fall off after a while. They really do, and they all do, and I think it's like blamed on the platform of that, but it's really the person themselves just doesn't know how to take the next step. And I've already taken all the next steps. I'm just trying to catch up, you know? Anyway, I'm not going anywhere. This is what I plan to do for the rest of my life. I'm always looking for what's next. So even though I may not post every day, or I may not do this or do that, this is what my life consists of, and this is what we're doing forever. So I'm not going anywhere, don't worry. Okay, I have shit tons to tell you, but I'll just kind of fill it in incrementally as we go along. So I think that's it. Let's go pick up Cole. Boop. We in 4K, baby. Oh, I miss this thing so much. I drove it yesterday, and I was gonna film yesterday, but some shit happened at work where somebody was in the bay, so not a big deal. We're just gonna do it while we're at my dad's and do it outside, because right now it's nice out. It's actually been pretty warm during the day, so let's do some ripping. Let's go pick up Cole. Cole can almost drive soon. That's crazy. Cole's almost 15 and a half, which in New Hampshire, you don't have to have a permit if you're 15 and a half. You just have to be with somebody who's 24 or 25 with a valid license. And he's like 20 days away from that, so pretty soon, Cole's gonna be joining us. We're gonna do a first drive with him video, and then we'll get him in this. But he still has to like learn how to drive. Just keep that in mind. That's pretty exciting. I'm actually stoked for that. I've been waiting my whole life for stuff like that. I think that's it. I got a lift kit for the truck. I got like lights for the truck, so we'll do some stuff with that. I've got, when I say a pile, I mean a fucking pile, bro. I got a shit ton of stuff. Sorry, I'm smacking my gum like a goober. Anytime I top it, just like. Yes! I've been getting a couple little, actually may have heard it in second gear at the top end there. I keep getting these little like breakup / misfire kind of things, which is exactly what happens when plugs are going shit. And if you don't know, and for some reason you haven't learned yet, these chew up plugs, and you really need to keep checking them and get like quality plugs, because stay the fuck over there, bro. These will literally chew them up. They last like 5,000 miles. Me personally, I try to change them as much as I can. I'd rather pay a little extra and not have them break apart. But anyway, yeah, change your plugs. Ah! Look at all the sleds. Like your sleds, brother. I've got to go on this rant real quick. You know what I'm really sick of? And I'm also sorry, the beginning of this video is all just ranting, and it's, you know, it is what it is. Get over it, sorry. What is with people on TikTok? Hey guys, as seen on TikTok Shop, today I'm featuring this grease. This Mobile One grease you can find on my TikTok Shop, link down below. Get bent, dude. What is with every person on, like, well, okay, I understand. They took away the creator fund unless you're part of the TikTok Shop kind of thing and all that shit, but Jesus. Sick of people sucking on that corporate teat, huh? Get out there and make a name for yourself, brother. Make yourself valuable, not them. Jesus. It's like I come out, I'm like, check out this Land O'Lakes butter, guys. It's fucking wicked. It has nothing to do with this car or myself, and I don't care about it or use it, but it's really good stuff. I stand by it. Oh, hey.
Hello.
Welcome to the car. Ready to go?
I am indeed ready to go.
Let's go. So it is getting dark, so we'll do one little rip and then we'll just jump to go to my dad's and we do some car work. Wow!
Holy mackerel of crow.
Holy crap, yo!
That was almost close call.
That was almost close call.
Don't you?
Okay, now we'll jump to dad's. Hey there, guys, welcome back. Here we are here in the engine bay. Welcome back with Fix It Not Chris with the Volkswagens and stuff. You know, like Fix It Chris, except we don't fix it, we break it. I've got minimal flashlights, I've got minimal parts, and then we got some work to do, so let's get cracking. All right, I'm gonna teach you guys a little hack. This is a GTI hack. If you're gonna have a GTI, you need these right here, ready? You're gonna be doing spark plugs every day because they're terrible and this car eats them. So what you need is you're gonna get yourself a little GoPro case just like this. I was looking for that clip, that's actually sweet. You're gonna get yourself some feeler gauges. You're gonna get a shaved down 10 so you can get underneath your freaking grounds and what have you. And a plug puller, and you could, oh man, you could do this anywhere. Here we go. For having no exhaust on this, it sounds so good. All right, also just bear with me. I know this is kind of annoying and stupid that it's dark and I don't have a lot of lights, but we're working with what we got, so. Beep, doop, beep, beep, beep. If you find that, this job's done. Everybody's a sellout. Typical. Guaranteed. 10 out of 10, 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You have new coil packs, right?
Yeah, that's what these are. Wait, I gotta film this like Rock Auto. Rock Auto puts in work with film. He does it like this.
Rock Auto.
Shout out to Rock. Rock is not a sellout. Beep. I say this every time, but I feel like people always ask about this. These coil packs, you literally just pinch the plastic, push it down, and then just pop it out. Everybody always just pushes it and tries to pull it back and it never comes off. You gotta push the clip, push down, pull back. Number one. Decent, decent. Let's flip this baby over. Like that. They're actually all in pretty decent shape, so I'm gonna hold on to these. One of these, I'm not really sure if it's the plugs causing the misfire or one of these, and we'll figure it out, but these are kind of a pain in the ass. And I think they're like 50 to 100 bucks a piece, so I'd rather just keep them in case I have one go bad. Not to sound like a hoarder, but you know, if you know, you know. Actually, this might just be just long enough. Decent, a little lean.
You're kind of getting a professional changing coil packs, huh? Pretty much brand new.
Decent.
A fire truck just flew past here.
Decent, decent.
Those are all like 600 years old.
Right.
Brand new.
I mean, 0.028 or something. It's literally so small. If we weren't doing it like this. If you've made it to this point of the video and you're enjoying yourself, you know what? Instead of being a sellout, I'm gonna sell myself. Go down there and hit the like button for your boy.
So like, yeah, so I just bought a new engine.
One ugga-dug. Literally though.
I think it's so funny.
One ugga-dug. Uno ugga-duggo.
Like Jay has like, oh yeah, it misfired once, so I put a TKM short block in it.
Kids, you have an aluminum head. Don't be ramming your spark plugs in there like a...
No,
I'll just keep bleeping out the...
No, that's what I'm saying. You gotta bleep out that part. think it was 7:30. They're just, they're known to throw misfires, I guess. I mean, if you ain't running OEM coil packs, what are you even doing, honestly?
Yeah, just
cut! Actually, I can completely believe I just did that.
what a joke. This guy even work on Volkswagen.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Get a couple Samsonic pumps in there. Ready? Here's the one. I always drop this one. All right. All right, we're locking up. Then you use your thin 10. Crank.
You didn't even torque him down to 100 foot-pounds?
Crank. I just realized what you said. Crank.
You're not going on a 2-hour-long rant about snap-on tools.
What are you even doing? All right, boom, just like that. All right, we're good. Oil change time.
Yeah, this is our new Articat 1000 that we ride every day.
Yeah, it's just kind of a piece
Not
of shit.
branded by Polaris. This is an
I'm pretty
Articat.
sure it's an Articat.
We only ride Articats. It's the best set
I bet
there
that's
is.
why it doesn't run.
Articats always run. That's why it's all we have is Articats.
You're lifting the whole back end up.
Dude, I told you she's stiff. I'm telling you, those chassis braces, you lift up the front and the whole thing comes on.
Oh, just get a hammer.
I hope you guys appreciate all these shots. I'm putting in work on these shots. Safety first. This is how you work on cars, guys. I mean, if that's not the safest I've ever been, I couldn't tell you another time I've felt safer.
You know, I'd almost be rather using Harbor Freight non-locking jack stands right now.
I mean, what could go wrong, bud? I'm just gonna slide right in. Crack that. That guy's open. Crack that. Let all the juices out. Please hold.
This is what we like doing. I'm having a good time. Honest to God.
Oh, look at that on camera. That's sick. Not a drop spill, and I got the freaking thing right on the screwdriver. I got the cap right here. Oh man, I'm freaking good. Now can I go around the stream and... Hot dog, that's a good day.
I freaking love this car. Me and this car have seen so much shit. It's not even funny. We have seen so much shit. Changed the oil filter. Wiped everything down. Gave it a good cleaning. And we'll stick the plug back in. Because I'm a dumbass and forgot to buy a replacement plug, but I changed it last time, so it should be decent still. Oh man, I can't wait till I can change that water pump so this stops leaking everywhere. This is gonna take a freaking wet week. I grabbed the smallest funnel possible. Alright, here's that. Everything's buttoned back up. Check the oil, that looks good. Keep kicking the pan, probably spilling some. There she goes. There's that, coolant's good. Alright, caps on, caps on, caps on. That's snug. I think we're chilling. Alright, because I have a terrible habit of this, make sure there's nothing up there. Alright, let's clean some shit up. Got the work boots on, baby. Oh my god, the daily looking fresh. Took the cap off the daily.
Actually, this is 3 days later. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video, bros.
We got her washed up, looking nice.
I hope you guys liked this video, and sorry it was kind of goofy content, and it was kind of just us working on the car. Like, I don't know, it was 10 degrees out, it was windy, it was freezing. I also forgot the head mount, so, you know, it is what it is, but it wasn't bad. We just had to get all the maintenance stuff out of the way so we can move on to what's next. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I missed you. And you know what? This video should be a lesson to all. If I can jack this up and put it on tires and then lay in the driveway with a screwdriver and a little roadside kit and do that shit, anybody can work on their car, all right? Anybody who says you can't, go do what you want. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, just keep driving. Your boy will catch you in the next one. I'm out.